In this video, we will briefly go through the requirements for active pharmaceutical ingredient materials management under cGMP. Manufacturers of active pharmaceutical ingredients should have written procedures for managing materials used in the process. The procedures should cover receipt, identification, quarantine, storage, handling, sampling, testing and the approval or rejection of materials. The manufacturer should have system in place to evaluate suppliers of critical materials. Changing the source of a critical supply is considered a controlled change and should follow the required procedures. Upon receipt, the materials should be examined for correct labeling, container damage, broken seals, evidence of tampering or contamination. The materials should be quarantined until they are sampled and confirmed they can be released for use. Bulk materials received in non-dedicated tankers should be examined for cross-contamination, and testing should be performed for purity and cleaning. Each container or grouping of containers in a batch should be assigned a number for identification. At least one test to identify each batch should be performed and the supplier's certificate of analysis could be used in place of other testing. The supplier should provide quality history to show that materials meet expected specifications. Full analysis of at least 3 batches should be performed before reducing in-house testing. Processing aids, hazardous or highly toxic raw materials do not need to be tested if certificate of analysis shows compliance with specifications. In such cases, visual inspection should still be performed, and the lack of testing should be justified and documented. When samples are taken for testing, they should be representative of the batch, and the testing method should be specified. Sampling should be conducted in dedicated areas and there should be an indication from which container the sample was taken. Materials stored in fiber drums, bags, or boxes should be kept off the floor to allow cleaning and inspection. Some materials may be stored outdoors, but their labels should remain legible, and they should be cleaned before opening. Materials should be re-evaluated in case of prolonged storage or exposure to heat or humidity. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you would like more information.